Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona, and I'm also the owner of Carter Law Firm in Phoenix. And today I want to talk about the bill that the Senate just passed regarding internet sales. So the way the law is currently written, a business doesn't have to pay sales tax for their online sales as long as they don't have a physical presence in the state. If they have a brick and mortar store, an office, or a distribution center, they do. Now, the Senate just passed a bill that says that a state could charge sales tax on all internet sales. So if this bill passes the House and becomes a law, what does that mean for people who have an Etsy store or sell things on eBay? Well, it could mean that you're going to have to start paying sales tax on all of your sales. And the amount of tax you have to pay is based on the location of your buyer, not the location where you're shipping from or where you live. So for people who have a little Etsy store, you might be kind of freaking out about how are you going to figure out what you have to charge and who you have to pay. And yeah, if you're getting a headache, I get it. But there are some exceptions to this law as it's currently written that may help you. The exception states that this law, if it's passed as written, that it only applies to businesses who do over $1 million in online sales a year. So if you just have a little Etsy store or you do a little eBay business here and there, this law isn't going to apply to you. Now, if the law does apply to you, you don't have to freak out as much either, because the law as written says that the state has to provide free computer software that will tell you how much sales tax you have to pay for each transaction. So it's going to take a lot of the guessworking out. It's going to hopefully make you more secure in what you're doing. If you have strong opinions about whether or not this bill should become a law, contact your representative in the House of Representatives. And for people who are worried about, should this become a law, and should we be paying sales tax on online sales? Well, that's up for you to decide and let your representative know. When there is more sales tax paid, if your state representatives are spending your money properly, there's going to be more money for the programs that you care most about, whether that's education or police or whatever. So that's something to keep in mind, that there is an upside to having this bill become a law, depending on your opinion. If you have any questions regarding internet law, you can contact me. My information is below, or you can contact an internet attorney in your community. So I hope this has been helpful, and I will talk with you later. Take care.